in this question we have been asked to differentiate this function which is sine x squared plus 5. So if we assume this as sine theta, here theta would be x squared plus 5. I'm just writing this to make it, to not make it more complicated. It will be very simple if you understand this like this. So we will have to differentiate this, which is d by dx of sine x squared plus 5. So first of all, the thing that we know is the differentiation of sine x is cos x. Like the differentiation of sine theta would be cos theta. So in this case, the differentiation of sine this thing would be cos this thing. So it would be cos x squared plus 5. Now the thing that we have to keep in mind that this is a variable, and inside the variable there is another variable. So like example, if we are given a function like d by dx of f of g of x. So like there is a function inside a function. In this there is a sine function, and inside the sine function there is another function which is x squared plus 5. We have to use the chain rule. So in this we will first differentiate this function as a whole, then we will multiply it by the function which is present inside the given function, which is g of x. We will differentiate this at the end. The first thing that we did is differentiate this function which is cos x squared plus 5, and now we'll multiply this its differential here. So the differentiation, which would be d by dx of x squared plus 5. This is known as a chain rule. We will always apply it when you have a function inside a function. Sometimes it can also be a function inside a function inside a function. There are three functions in it. So in this case, the final answer would come up to be cos x squared plus 5 times the differentiation of x squared is 2x. We have done it using chain rule. To differentiate this, 2 will come to the front, and x to the power of 2 minus 1, which would be 2x to the power 1, which would be 2x. And the differentiation of 5, which is any constant's differentiation, is always 0. So we'll add 0. It will not make any sense, so we'll just erase it, adding 0. So the final answer comes out to be 2x cos x squared plus 5.